After a bath, the giant needed to dry that enormous hair. One shake! A whole valise. Soon, the giant's hair drying turned into a windstorm of sunshine.
And every drop, every breeze, help the world below.
And just like that, the giant's good hair day brightened the whole valley. But for a giant, one evening, the giant made a wish. But for a giant, one breath was like a storm. And every candle went dark at once. And with that breath, the giant cleared the hole. Because every wish feels bigger in a giant world. One sunny morning, the giant decided to do laundry. But for a giant, even washing clothes was a giant job. One shake, and the whole valley felt the breeze. So the giant hung the laundry between mountains. And just like that, the whole world smelled fresh. One morning, the giant decided to make breakfast. For a giant, even breakfast could wake an entire world. Soon, the whole valley felt warm, hungry, and happy. And just like that, the giant turned breakfast into the warmest morning the valley had ever known. But when the nail fell, it looked just... One afternoon, the giant decided it was time for a trim. But when the nail fell, it looked just like a boat from the sky. For a giant, even a tiny trim could make a fleet. Soon, the whole harbor was filled with the giant's accidental boats. And just like that, the giant turned a simple nail trim into a harbor full of wonder. High above the world, a giant finds the sweetest clouds.
But to this giant, clouds are just cotton candy. Spin! Spin!
A sky-sized treat. Tomorrow, maybe strawberry flavor.